So today we're going to discuss about trigonometry. So trigonometry is just the field in mathematics in which you take side and its angle for reference, and you determine the length or the size by its angle. So if we're going to start off trigonometry from the basics, we will have to use right angle triangles to start off with. Remember that trigonometry can be used in any angles, either it be right angle triangles or it be normal triangles or any angle that is literally given. But today we're going to start off basically from the basics, from the root. So we're going to use the most basic thing, a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, we have the hypotenuse, we have the perpendicular, and we have the base. So some people might also say that base is adjacent. Yeah, but base and adjacent are the same. Anyway, in trigonometry there is one thing that you have to know from the root. If an angle theta is given, the opposite of the theta will always be its perpendicular. For example, this is triangle, let's name it ABC. This is triangle ABC. The perpendicular will be AB. However, there can be another case in where angle theta is given on the top, and let's name this excuse me, PQR, and in here the opposite of the angle theta is QR, referring that in triangle PQR the perpendicular is QR. So the rules have changed. In triangle ABC, as you can see, the left corner or the left side is the perpendicular. However, in triangle PQR, where the angle theta is given on top, which is angle theta is equal to angle P, that means that the opposite of angle P or angle theta will be QR, making QR the perpendicular, and of course the longest will be the hypotenuse and the last will be the base. So in this case, PQ is now the base, and in ABC, BC is the base now. So that is the first thing you have to know in order to learn trigonometry. Now next up, in trigonometry we have this called trigonometric ratios. In trigonometric ratios we have the sine, cosine, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So learning this ratio is the most important part in trigonometry, because this is literally what we are going to use in order to solve trigonometric problems, and this is literally trigonometry. There's nothing else we can describe it. So in sine, before that we have to know that there are perpendicular, hypotenuse and base in a right angle triangle. So we're going to make a ratio out of this. If sine is taken from this triangle ABC, sine will be P by H. Let's rub this stuff for a while we are going to discuss about sine. Yeah, let me do it. So in sine we have P by H. That means in the case of triangle ABC, so there's this one important thing, the angle theta is given on angle C, making the perpendicular will be AB and the hypotenuse will be AC, making sine theta is equal to AB by AC, and that is also equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this is how it goes. There might be very long or maybe many ways in which you can learn the trigonometric ratios, such as the SOHCAHTOA, but for today I'm not going to focus on those. Maybe later on I might make a video presenting different techniques on how to memorize the trigonometric ratios, the trigonometric tables. But yeah, for now we're just going to touch the tip of the iceberg for now. So next we have the cosine. In cosine we have B by H. So just like in sine, we have the B by H, that is equal to AB by AC. We will apply the same rule for cosine. So we have base. As base we have triangle ABC. We have base as BC and hypotenuse as AC, making that B by H and also making that cos theta. So in triangle ABC, the cosine will be BC by AC. Now next on we have the tan theta. The tangent is described, said to be perpendicular by base. So in triangle ABC, the perpendicular by base is AB by BC. So this will be tan theta. Oh no, I've written it 2 times, here and here, no problem. So in triangle ABC, the tangent which is perpendicular by base is AB by BC. AB by BC. So now we have sine, cos and tan. We will move on to cot, sec, cosec. But before that, we'll be rubbing some of this. Now as we have rubbed it will be much more easier for me to write. We have cot. So cot is said to be base by perpendicular. Now I want you to tell me what is cot theta for triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, what is cot theta? As it is given, it is base by perpendicular. So for this triangle ABC, the cot theta will be BC by AB, as we are given cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular. Now next up we have sec. In sec theta we have the hypotenuse by base. Now in triangle ABC we have hypotenuse as AC and base as BC. That's quite all of it. Nothing else. Nothing much more to discuss or ramble on this stuff. Next up, lastly, we have the cosec. In the cosec, we have hypotenuse by perpendicular. So, in cosec, we can see that the hypotenuse is on top and the perpendicular is on the denominator, so it's quite obvious now that the hypotenuse will be AC in triangle ABC and the perpendicular will be AB. So those are the important stuff and one of the most simplest basics of trigonometry that you must know before going in depth. So let's write down what we have. Sine theta, we have perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta, which is expressed as base by hypotenuse. Tan theta, which is expressed as perpendicular by hypotenuse. Let's wrap that a bit. Oh no, I'm lost. Okay, that will be fine. Now we have cot theta, which is, wait, I have written this hypotenuse, sorry, it's b by b, perpendicular by base. Okay, now for cot theta we have base by perpendicular, and for sec theta we have hypotenuse by base, and we have cosec theta, which will be defined as hypotenuse by perpendicular. So those are the first trigonometric ratios that you have to note.